guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great and safe at home. So I'm actually going out for somewhere for one day and I shoot this whole makeup look for my Instagram, and this is very basic and simple and very youthful, and I have 30 more minutes to go. So I thought why not just shoot a video for my YouTube channel. So I thought why not just do a what's in my bag video. I had actually what's in my bag video previous also, but like maximum things have changed now, and yeah, so I thought why not just do make another video. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so I have carried this huge bag and I completely love this. I got this from Amazon and this is very inexpensive, and the best part of this bag is that you can use it as a backpack, you can use it as like a handbag. Even इसके साथ एक और भी strap आता है जहाँ से you can carry it like from side, but I love to carry it like a backpack. It's very handy. And by the way, I wore a baggy white t-shirt. I love it. Like t-shirt अगर baggy होता है तो it feels very comfortable, and it's summer also. So now I'm going to dig into this bag and will show you what I have carried for one day. Very basic सामान है because it's not something very dramatic or something. very basic सामान है. Okay, so now first I'm going to open this huge chain, and trust me guys, इसके अंदर you can carry yourself also. That much of space have inside this bag. And yeah, now when I'm going to open it, you can see it has lots of saman. So first which is popping out is this is water bottle. This is I got from Instagram, and this is born on Instagram written here, so I thought why not just see. Okay, wait. Okay, so I carry this water bottle, and next which is this my glasses. I am a chashmish girl, and yeah, so I carry everywhere my chashma, so I love it. And next I have this, of course, a charger, and यहाँ पर you can see that is लिखा हुआ है because this is like a fast charging, and बहुत लोगों के पास सेम चार्जर ही होता है. so like मैंने अपना जो नाम है वो खुदाई कर दिया है. and this is my phone जो कि बाहर है क्योंकि वो हमेशा हाथ पे ही रहता है. and next you can see that I have two pouches here, and first is this is a diary which I got from again Instagram, and I love to write everything. like this is very new. I have written down lots of thing, very important thing. अगर कोई call आता है, अगर कोई video का timing होता है, so I love to write here, and this is new. and next I have a pen also which is very cute. I am going to show you. okay, so next यहाँ पर एक chain है जहाँ पर ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है because as I have told before it's just a one day going. I am actually going for some work, and इसके अंदर I carry this strap जो कि अगर आप साइड पे लगाओ तो यू कैन कैरी साइड से ऑल्सो, बट आई यूजुअली डोंट यूज इट, बट मैं इसे बैक पे रखती हूँ ताकि ये गुम ना हो जाए. एंड नेक्स्ट आई हैव okay next I have this. इसके अंदर I have two pouches more. so I'm going to show you this pouch. this is by Mamaearth, and I'm not like sponsoring, like I love to keep this kind of a pouch. this is so handy. and इसके अंदर I have all of my skincare सामान. look at this. like एक दिन के लिए भी मैं जा रही हूँ तो I have to carry lots of skincare because you guys know that I love skincare more than me also. anyways, so first is this. This is Bioderma फेस वॉश. बाय द वे ये टॉप भी बायोडर्मा ने दिया था, लाइक वुमेंस डे के स्पेशल में दे हैव गिवन मी दिस टॉप, एंड इसमें बहुत अच्छा कोट लिखा हुआ है दैट योर चॉइस डिजर्व रेस्पेक्ट एंड योर स्किन टू. सो आई लव दिस कोट, एंड ये वुमेंस डे का स्पेशल है. सो दे हैव सेंट मी देयर फेस वॉश ऑल्सो, एंड दिस इज सो इन स्मॉल साइज, सो आई थॉट वाई नॉट जस्ट कैरी इट राइट नाउ. एंड नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस इज अगेन बायोडर्मा, एंड दिस इज द माइसेलर वाटर टू रिमूव माई मेकअप एंड ऑल दैट. एंड नेक्स्ट आई हैव कॉटन का जो पैड होता है वो, एंड आई हैव टू लाइक बाई नाउ that makeup removal towel because cotton pad is not good for environment, and this is so bad, but I don't have anything right now, so I have to carry it. and next I have this is sunscreen Neutrogena. sunscreen and me is like a BFF, so I can't live without sunscreen. and next यहाँ पर है I have like स्किन केयर लाइक जो मैं इस्तेमाल करूँगी. सो आई टुक लाइक मिनिएचर साइज क्योंकि वो बहुत अच्छा होता है ट्रैवल के लिए. सो फर्स्ट किट विच आई टुक इज दिस इज बाई फेस शॉप, एंड दिस इज द डॉक्टर बेलमार किट, एंड आई टुक इट फॉर नाइट स्पेशली. दे हैव like they are emulsion, they are toner, and lastly their moisturizer. So this is compact and I love this is kind of a mini thing, इसीलिए मैं ये जो मिनी चीज़ें हैं वो मैं घर पे इस्तेमाल नहीं करती हूँ. I took it for like this kind of a holiday kind of a thing. By the way मैं holiday के लिए नहीं जा रही हूँ but फिर भी. And the next kit which I took is again from Face Shop, because Face Shop has the cutest mini kits and they are very travel friendly and very inexpensive also. And so this is their rice water ka range, and this is toner, this is emulsion, and this is their moisturizer. So this is for morning, like tomorrow morning ke liye. And last but not the least is this too. This is the lip balm. This is from Blue Heaven. I completely love this, and can you believe it, it's only for 89 rupees I guess. This is so inexpensive. And yeah, of course eye cream. So for that I took this Dermaco 5% caffeine eye serum, and this is not a sponsored video by any brand, but trust me guys, if you want to buy a eye cream, do not look after for anything else, just go and grab this. I can assure you that if you have any kind of issue like dark circle, puffiness, smile lines, wrinkle, like dry under eye, this is the lifesaver for you. That much of love and affection I have with this product. So yeah, now my skincare bag is done and I have to carry this again. So yeah, anyways, so next move on to this. This is also from a brand. This is from the Pilgrim brand, and इसके साथ ये जूट का बैग आया है, and I completely love this. And इसके अंदर मेकअप है. The thing is that I didn't carry too much of makeup because I don't do too much of makeup. I love to do makeup, but honestly you don't need that. So first I took this. This is a body spray by Pocket Perfume, actually by Engage, and इसका हुलिया ही बहुत ख़राब है. Anyways, and next I have this. This is a concealer by NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop HD concealer, and this is in the shade I guess medium. Okay, so next I have, what is this? This is a lip and cheek tint. Oh my god, you have to carry a lip and cheek tint everywhere. Like this is so freaking useful. You can use it as a blush, as an eyeshadow, as a lip okay, sorry, as a blush, as an eyeshadow, as a lipstick. So this is a very handy, and this is from Etude House, and it cost only 450 rupees, and I'm constantly using it, and ये like इतना तक भी नहीं आया है अभी फिलहाल. And next what I have, okay, so I have mascara. This is from Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Next, of course it has to be a brow pencil, and this is LA color brow pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown. You can see that nothing left more. And next I have this one eyeshadow palette. This is from Wet n Wild, and this is a very basic color eyeshadow palette, and I just carry only one brush, and I haven't took any beauty blender or blush का जो brush होता है, nothing. Even I haven't took any highlighter yet, क्योंकि I can glow myself because I have like a glowing skin. Please नज़र मत देना, okay? I'm just telling it like a joke. Anyway, so yeah, this is the eyeshadow palette, and I took just one brush to dust it off on all over my lid. That's why I took a very basic color. Even I can use it with my finger. I just need to do like this and apply like this, and I'm good to go. And last two products left is this. First of all तो ये Fit Me का compact powder to set everything, या फिर sunscreen के ऊपर भी मैं अगर ये लगा लूँ, so I'm good to go. And next I have this. This is a mirror, small mirror. And last I have this Meher by MAC, क्योंकि ये first of all ये small है. Second of all, Meher is one of those color which can go with like any outfit, like western, Indian, dark, light, any kind of outfit it will go completely. That's why I took it. And yeah, इसमें और फिलहाल अभी कुछ नहीं है. And now I'm going to show you what I have. This इसके अंदर बहुत space है. So first of course mask, and I got this from Face Shop. Like Face Shop given me this, and I think उन लोगों का Valentine's Day collection पे ये आया था. So I took this extra क्योंकि एक मैं और पहन के जाऊंगी. And next I have this. Okay, so this is such a cute thing, इसीलिए मैंने कोई सैनिटाइजर नहीं कैरी किया है. डायरी के साथ ये पेन है. So you can see that this is a pen. इसको अगर आप ओपन करो तो you can write it. तो इसको बंद कर दो, और पीछे इसके साथ आता है सैनिटाइजर. So like spray, and like you are good to go. So you don't need to carry a sanitizer with you. So yeah, this is very helpful and I am just going for like 1 day and इतने से sanitizer पे like enough, more than enough. And इसके अंदर और कुछ नहीं है. Even it has like a side pocket also जहाँ पर I have extra cotton pad like for like extra security. And इसके साथ ये side पे भी आता है but यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं है. And इस side पे I have nothing. And next move on to this chain. इसके पीछे भी और एक chain है. This bag is really good and if I can I will link down this bag because ये हमेशा out of stock रहता है. Okay, इस side पे I have my earphone and this is from Mibi. And next I have, what is this, next 2 things left. One is rubber band and one is clutcher because मेरे सर पे already 2 clutchers है. And yeah, my hair is growing back again thankfully and I don't like to be like खुले बाल मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. I love to do buns. So yeah, और कुछ नहीं है. comb and sanitizer की thing like brush and all that thing वो मेरे जो और एक बैग है जहाँ पर मेरे कपड़े हैं वहाँ पर है. So yeah, that's it. It's very basic, very simple, nothing like extraordinary और nothing special कि मैं बहुत कुछ कैरी कर रही हूँ. No, स्किन केयर थोड़ा ज़्यादा है yes because I love skin care. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed this video because this video is for like enjoyment and refreshment. ऐसे सीखने की कुछ चीज़ नहीं है honestly, but yeah, I want to give you here that no matter where you are going, like carry small pouches. It is really very helpful and also like space consuming and also it will be like very impact and like it will be very compact. आपको ढूंढने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कहाँ पर है. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed this. See you guys on my next video and if you love this video do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel because it's free. Okay, so yeah, see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy and the most importantly stay safe and stay home. Bye bye.